Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you cancel order on Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Pandabuy and then log into your accounts. So once I've logged into your account here, what I'm going to do here, I've logged into my account here. On your top right here, click on your profile. So click on user center. All right. So once you get to your user center, you will see order option here. So click on order. So here you should see all your order details here. So select the order that you want to cancel. For example, this one here. So let's say this order here. So that's the order that I want to cancel. So what I'm going to do now here is you'll have an option here. Oh, one sec. So here, so that's the order I want to cancel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this order. Then what I'm going to do, if you see under others, there's an option called cancel. So what I'm going to do to cancel these orders, I'm going to click on cancel order. All right. So here, what you have to do is you have to choose a reason for you to cancel. All right, so when you get to here, so what you can do, you can choose a reason for if you want why you want to cancel it. So you can say that if you want to, or else then what you can do, just select the item that you want to cancel. For example, I want to cancel this item here, and then what you have to do is click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, your order will be cancelled, and your payment or refund will be issued to your Pandabuy balance, which you can use it for shopping, or you can like withdraw it to your account, to your bank account. So that's how you can cancel order on Pandabuy. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.